Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the tall mustard in Heartopia. Tall mustard is one of the wild green and in this Heartopia, in the new event that called Dreamlike cinematic event. So in this new event, you can just cook any limited food, and to cook it, you need to complete the ingredients, and one of the ingredients is this tall mustard. And to get this tall mustard, you can just go to the onsen mountain like this, more precisely at the ruins area, this one. Just go to this area and then next just walk around until you found the wild greens that looks like this. It will look like this, and then just simply tap on pick button and you will automatically collect the tall mustard, and then just continue walk around to collect more tall mustards. And okay, that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.